Yes, your prize. I'm going to give you some little rocks. You're going to put them in your mouth, okay?
Okay. I'm up.
Open your mouth. What is that? That's pretty cool, isn't it, buddy?
Okay, cool.
Here, open your mouth. Lean your head back. Open your mouth. You got. You didn't get any. You need to open your mouth. Let Mommy pour some in there.